Friends, it's time to eat some fruits. Let me see which fruits I have. Orange, apple, mango, chiku, guava, banana, grapes. Friends, now I am going to eat these fruits. By that time, you see all these fruits one by one. Apple, apple. This is an apple. A for apple. Apple is red in color. Eating an apple is very good for health. And you know, friends, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Banana, banana. This is a banana. B for banana. Banana is yellow or green in color. Eating banana is very good for health. Mango, mango. This is a mango. M for mango. Mango is called as king of fruits. Grapes, grapes. These are grapes. G for grapes. Grapes are sweet and juicy. Orange, orange. This is an orange. O for orange. Orange contains vitamin C and it is very good for health. Watermelon, watermelon. This is a watermelon. W for watermelon. Watermelon is green from outside and red from inside. Watermelon is very sweet and tasty. Strawberry, strawberry. This is a strawberry. S for strawberry. Strawberry is red in color with tiny yellow dots. Strawberry is very tasty. Chiku, chiku. This is a chiku. C for chiku. It is sweet and brown in color. Guava, guava. This is a guava. G for guava. It is green from outside and pink from inside. It also has small seeds. It is very tasty. Pineapple, pineapple. This is a pineapple. P for pineapple. It has thorns on the outside, but it is a very tasty fruit. Friends, now I will show you some pictures and you could tell me the correct word for it. So, let's start. Friends, which fruit is this? Come on, tell me fast. Right, it's a guava. Which fruit is this? Come on, who will tell me? Right, it's a pineapple. Oh, this fruit is yellow or green and very healthy. Come on. Right, it's a banana. These fruits keep the doctor away. So who will tell me? Right, an apple. This fruit is called as king of the fruits. So who will tell me? Come on, think fast. Right, mango. These fruits are sweet and juicy. Who will give me the answer? Correct, grapes. And this is? Right, chiku. This fruit is very good for health. So, who will give me answer? Right, an orange. Okay, now which fruit is this? It's green from outside and red from inside. Come on, tell me fast. Right, watermelon. Which fruit is this? Small and red in color with tiny yellow dots. Come on, tell me fast. Right, strawberry.